Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best work boot for shipyard worker you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best work boot for shipyard worker in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Timberland Men's Boondock Shipyard Worker Boot. If comfort and protection are top priorities for your work boots, you'll love these Timberland Boondock steel toe work boots. They have steel toe caps to protect the toes and slip oil and abrasion resistant TPU outsoles that provide excellent traction on the tricky surfaces found at a shipyard. They have waterproof leather uppers that keep the feet completely dry when exposed to outside liquids while working outside. Steel toe caps and rubber toe protectors keep the toes safe from outside threats. Footbeds that are anti-fatigue and completely cushion the feet. EverGuard leather protects the feet from outside threats. Slip, oil, and abrasion-resistant TPU outsoles with deep lugs that provide enhanced traction. Made of waterproof membrane that keeps the feet dry when working in the rain. Our second best work boot for shipyard worker is Timberland Pro Men's Endurance Work Boots. These Timberland Pro Endurance Work Boots, with steel toe caps and abrasion, slip, and oil-resistant outsoles, keep shipyard workers' feet safe. The safety toe caps keep your toes safe from being squashed by heavy falling objects at the shipyard, and the outsoles keep you from slipping on slick surfaces. These steel toe work boots are resistant to electrical hazards, which is essential for avoiding serious electrocution accidents. When it comes to comfort, the boots feature the well-known anti-fatigue technology, which is made up of cushioned footbeds and shock-absorbing midsoles that are responsible for providing solid arch support to the feet, keeping them well rested and relaxed. Steel toe caps that provide solid toe compression and impact resistance. Top quality leather that enhances durability and protects the feet from potential threats. Anti-fatigue technology composed of ergonomic footbeds that fully cushion the feet. Slip, oil, and abrasion-resistant outsoles with deep lugs that help grip the surface tightly. Electrical hazard protection. Third pick in our list is Carhartt waterproof work boots. Very few work boots like these Carhartt CME8355 boots have protective features to keep your feet safe from all the accidents that happen at a shipyard. Their slip and chemical-resistant ground force outsoles provide excellent traction, keeping workers safe from slipping and falling on hard surfaces at the shipyard. At the shipyard, the composite safety toe caps provide total toe protection, preventing workers from being injured by heavy falling objects. Their waterproof leather uppers keep feet dry when working outside in the rain, and they allow air to flow freely through the boots to prevent sweat and blisters. Slip and chemical-resistant outsoles from ground force help to prevent slips and falls. Storm Defender waterproof breathable protection. These shoes are designed to be completely waterproof and to keep your feet dry in most types of wet conditions. A waterproof and breathable membrane is used to keep your feet dry but promote airflow and circulation. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is Reebok Sublight Cushion Safety Toe Athletic Work Shoes. These Reebok Sublight Athletic Work Shoes have a combination of protective and comfort features that outperform other competing work shoes. For the first time, their slip-resistant outsoles provide excellent traction on slippery surfaces, which is critical for avoiding unwanted slips and falls on hard surfaces. Their alloy toe caps protect the toes from being crushed by heavy falling tools while adding little weight to the boots. To keep the feet comfortable, the boots have memory tech footbeds and sublight foam midsoles, which absorb the shocks caused by standing on hard surfaces all day. slip-resistant outsoles that help reduce the risk of slipping and falling. Memory Tech footbeds and sublight foam midsole that make it easy to tackle long workdays on your feet. Mesh allows for the air to flow, keeping the feet dry. Last in our best work boot for shipyard worker list is Timberland Pro Hyperion work boots. Timberland's Hyperion XL work boots have features that make them one of the best pairs of safety footwear to wear at a shipyard. Their alloy toe caps offer lightweight yet solid protection to the toe box area, which is critical for avoiding nasty toe injuries. The boots have trusty Vibram oil and slip-resistant outsoles that offer excellent traction on slippery and uneven surfaces to avoid nasty slips and falls on harsh surfaces. Your feet will also stay dry at all times due to the 100% waterproof leather that keeps all liquids out. Their EVA midsoles and cushioned footbeds completely support the feet, preventing foot fatigue, a common problem among shipyard workers. These men's work boots have alloy safety toes, lightweight EVA midsoles, cement construction, premium leather with a waterproof membrane and dynamic anti-fatigue technology for ultimate comfort during long days on your feet.